In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize video in Capcut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set the right canvas size and adjust your clip so it fits perfectly, whether you're posting to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. First, open your browser and head to Capcut.com. This brings you to Capcut's web editor, where you'll do everything inside your project. Next, choose Create New. This opens a fresh workspace with a clean canvas and timeline so you can start editing right away. Before you bring in any footage, pick your aspect ratio. This is the size and shape of your canvas, and it's important to choose the one that matches where your video will live. For example, 16:9 is ideal for YouTube, 9:16 works best for vertical platforms like TikTok and Reels, and 1:1 is great for square posts. Selecting the ratio up front helps you avoid black bars and unexpected cropping later, and you can still change it if you need to. Now it's time to add your video. You can click the upload area to browse your computer and select your file. Once it uploads, you'll see it in your media library. Alternatively, if you already see your clip in the library, simply drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Either method gets your footage into the project. Click on the clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's active when it's highlighted, and the controls appear in the preview area. With the clip selected, look for the scale indicator that shows 100% in the preview or settings panel. This is the size of your video relative to the canvas. Click that control and drag to adjust. Dragging to the left reduces the size so more of the canvas shows around your video, and dragging to the right increases the size to fill more of the frame. Watch the preview as you adjust, and aim to keep your subject centered and important details in view. A few quick tips while you resize. Try not to scale far beyond 100% if your original footage is lower resolution, because upscaling too much can reduce sharpness. On the other hand, if you're moving from a wider video to a vertical canvas, a slight increase can help fill the frame, but make sure you're not cutting off heads or text near the edges. Scrub through a few moments in your timeline to confirm the composition looks good across the entire